How to fix Spotify, something went wrong. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to open up Spotify, then click on your profile icon in the top left corner, then select settings and privacy. From here, you want to find data saving and offline mode. Now make sure you are not in offline mode, and also scroll down until you see clear cache, and you just want to clear here. And you will again confirm by clicking on clear. Once you have done this, we can proceed to the next step, which is going to be going into our settings, searching for Spotify, clicking on it. Now here, make sure that background app refresh is turned on. And the very last fix which I can show you is going to be searching for iPhone storage. You just want to click on it. Now here you will find Spotify. You want to select offload app. After you have offloaded it, then you will click on reinstall, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.